Whoa, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Hello guys, in this video, ang ituturo ko po sa inyo is how to track events. Yung pong mga events na yan ay yung mga actions na tinitake ng mga visitors sa ating website. Okay, right now, I'm here on my mega dashboard and all you have to do is click events. Ito po, i-click natin yan. Itong pixel po ng tabletop is very fresh and new kasi po kagagawa lang ng website ng tabletop. Now, there are movements from the pixel, so it means it's working. And also, if you want to see what's going on inside the pixel, all you have to do is click the details right there. And as you can see, may mga movements po. And the most view that the pixel has received was last November 30. Okay, and as you can see, dito yung green na yan, there was a movement or someone has visited the website for the last 42 minutes. Okay, now, to set up our tracking events, all we have to do is go through there and set up new events. Ito po ang i-click natin, use Facebook's event setup tool and it is recommended. So i-click natin yan and then i-click po natin kung anong website ang gusto nyong i-track. And for this instance, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo ay yung website ng tabletopdigital.com bundle wherein people can view it and take an action kung gusto nilang mag-avail po nung bundle. So, we're gonna open the website. There it is. And now, the Facebook event setup tool appeared. See that? That's the website or that's the sales page in fact. And then, there it is. Now, we have to click this track new button right here. Ipapakita ngayon sa atin ni Facebook alin dito ang mga pwedeng lagyan ng tracking event. Pag clinic ko po ang isa dyan, because they are the same, magiging tracking event na siya. Magiging event na siya na pag clinic ng visitor, ire-register siya or ire-record po ni Pixel. So, in this case, gusto ko siyang gawing initiate checkout event. So, I'm going to click this dahil yan din naman ang sinuggest ni Facebook. I'm going to click that. Then, hahanapin natin yung initiate checkout event. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng value kasi magkakaiba po sila. So, I cannot put particular or specific value kasi magugulo lang po yung aking record. So, I'll just have to track that someone clicked the payment option button and that will be my signal that someone has initiated a checkout. So I will just have to confirm it. I can say finish or I can just track the whole page or I can just track the whole URL na pag may bumisita po dito, ito naman yan, pag may bumisita sa page na to, pwede natin silang i-categorize na interested sila or initiated checkout. But to be more specific, mas maganda pong sa button tayo mag-create ng initiate checkout event. Okay? So that's it and I will just have to finish the setup and click finish. So, meron na tayong isang event setup na na-complete. Kung gusto nating i-test, kung gumagana siya, all we have to do is click that and then puntahan natin yung website and then i-check po natin kung gumagana yung pixel doon sa Facebook Pixel Helper. I-click natin yon doon sa browser ninyo. And there you go. Sabi niya, one pixel found on www.tabletop.digital.com. And then, eto po siya. And then, another here. So, that's it. Okay, that's how you set up tracking events. Next video, ang ituturo ko naman ay yung paggawa ng custom conversion. Okay, see you next video.
Whoa, oh, oh.